welcome back to my channel. We hope you all had a lovely Christmas. On today's video we're going to make On today's video we're going to make some rice On today's video we're going to make some On today's video we're going to make some Rice Krispie squares. Here's how they're made. You are going to need Rice Krispies, marshmallows, toffees and margarine. Firstly, we're going to weigh out 100 grams of Rice Krispies. We also then need 100 grams of marshmallows. Grams of toffees and 100 grams of margarine. Hello. As you can see from that clip, Olivia did come in and we had a little bit of a snack. She really enjoys opening and closing the fridge at the moment, so we're quickly just having a strawberry yoghurt while Mummy starts baking our crispy cakes. Firstly, we're going to get a saucepan out of our cupboard. We then are going to put the hob on a medium temperature. Next, we're then going to add all our ingredients into the saucepan. In goes the margarine. In goes the toffee. In goes the marshmallows. Now we have added all our ingredients into our saucepan, we're going to continue to stir all the ingredients together until they become smooth and combined. Once all of your ingredients have combined together, you're then going to add your Rice Krispies. Then you're going to stir everything together until it's all combined. Once your Rice Krispie mixture is all combined, you're then going to transfer it into a tub. Once your crispy mixture is in your tub, you then are going to smoothen it out so it's nice and flat. Next, we're then going to put it in the fridge to cool. While the crispy cakes were in the fridge, I then started to play with Olivia and she really enjoyed going on her bunny rocking horse which she got for Christmas. I just thought I'd also say I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and I hope you all got some really nice things. Once your mixture comes out of the fridge, we're then going to cut it into squares, or you could do any shape you like, but I like to do squares. You then, as an option, could add different toppings to your crispy mixture. You could add melted chocolate, sprinkles, or chocolate buttons. But for me, I wanted to keep it plain today. So here we have crispy cakes, and I think they look pretty okay. Obviously mine aren't completely solid, so they have kind of squished outwards a little bit, so I'd just say to leave them in the fridge for a bit longer. I think mine were in the fridge for about 30 to 40 minutes, but I'd definitely say leave them in the fridge for about an hour before you start eating them. But it's completely up to you. It's the finished crispy cakes. I just wanted to say I hope you all had a lovely Christmas. I know I think I've probably already said it before in this video, but I hope everyone all had some nice gifts this year. I cannot believe that 2021 is almost over. We're literally 4 days away from the 1st of December. So it's exciting going into a new year. I thought, maybe why not continue with a new hobby that I've started to really enjoy. I just wanted to say thank you all again for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Anyone who watches my videos, it generally means a lot to me, really. Keep remembering to hit that like and subscribe button. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye everyone!